In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed any widget in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page more interactive or more visually useful, adding a widget is a great option. This can include things like clocks, calendars, weather panels, countdowns, or other simple tools provided by third-party widget services. The good news is that the process is very straightforward once you know what to look for. The first thing you need to do is get the embed link or embed code from the widget provider you want to use. This usually comes from a website that lets you create or customize widgets, such as a widget builder platform. Once your widget is ready, look for an embeddable link, a URL, or iframe code. The most important thing here is to make sure the widget is public and that the link begins with HTTPS. That helps Notion load it properly and avoids common issues with unsupported or private links. After you've copied the correct link or code, go to the Notion page where you want the widget to appear. Open the page and click in an empty area exactly where you want the widget to live. Choosing the placement first is helpful because it saves you from moving things around later, especially if your page already has other content on it. Next, create an embed block. In that empty space, type /embed. Notion will show a menu of block options and you'll want to select the embed option from that list. This tells Notion that you are about to insert external content rather than plain text, an image, or another kind of block. Once the embed box appears, paste your link or your iframe code into the text field. Then press embed. Notion will try to load the widget immediately. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the widget appear right on the page, depending on the provider. It may take a moment to render, so give it a few seconds if it doesn't show up instantly. If the widget doesn't load, the most common reason is that the link isn't public, the format isn't supported, or the provider doesn't allow embedding. In that case, double-check that you copied the correct embed version instead of a regular page link. And that's all there is to it. Once it loads, your widget becomes part of your Notion page and can help make your workspace more functional and personalized. Thanks for watching.